Hello guys, welcome back to this video tutorial. As usual, this is Radolf, and in this video we are going to be talking about variables. Now, when we talk about variables in any programming language, variables are basically memory space that are used to store information like strings, numbers, and any other value. Now, variables are really important in C++ programming language. Now, how do we declare variables in C++ language? For us to declare any variable in C++ programming language, first of all, we need to declare a data type. We have a lot of data types. We have a data type like int, we have double, we have float, and string, and a lot more. Now, after declaring your data type, you go ahead and name your variable. But we need to consider these things over here. Now, these are reserved words for C++: ASM, auto, bool, break, case, catch, for, friend, go to, if. These are certain reserved words for C++. Therefore, you cannot use any of these words to name your variable. So you need to take care of these words and take very good note of it, that you cannot use such words as a name for your variable. Now let's go into details how we can declare a variable in C++. Now, as I said earlier on, to declare a variable in C++, you need to specifically define your data type that you want to use. You can use the int, and int here means integer, as in 1, 0, 2, 3, or any other integer that you know. After declaring your data type, go ahead and name your variable. You can give it any other name apart from the reserved word that we just checked. So I will name mine Phil, and I can set this to a value like 9 or integer like 9. So when I go ahead and see out my Phil, you see that I'm going to see 9 being printed out on the screen, not Phil. Okay, so let me run this, build and run, and that is it. I'm seeing over here 9 being printed out on the screen, but not Phil. Now, why it is happening so? As you see, I have an equal to over here, which is an assignment operator. Now, this is assigning the value or integer 9 to Phil as a variable. So whenever I call out Phil, Phil is being assigned to the value 9. So therefore 9 is going to be printed out on the screen. Let's do another example, int, and I will name another variable dice. I will set this equals 10. Now let me go ahead, see out dice. Alright, so let me see out dice. Now let's build and run this once again, and you are going to see 10 being printed out on the screen because dice has been assigned to 10. Okay, so we knowing this, let's go ahead and do just a simple calculation. Let me call out a different variable in sum, and in sum I'm going to equal sum to, or assign it to, Phil plus dice. Simple as that. Now let me go ahead and see out sum. Now let's check what we have over here. Build and run, and as we see, we have 19 over here. That means Phil is 9, dice is 10, so therefore the sum of Phil and dice is 19. That means it's adding up Phil and dice together for us to get that 19 over here. I can also change the operator to minus, and I will go ahead, build and run that, and as we see, we have -1 over there as well. So that is it for variables. Now we know how to declare a variable, we know how to call a variable, and do just a simple calculation with that. Alright, so that is it guys for this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like me on Facebook, and don't forget to meet me in the next tutorial. Bye bye.